Richard here, Creative Cascades. Here you can see the garden before, and here the dig when I was building it. And hey presto, a new ecosystem pond with small babbling waterfalls. The water's turned over through the two waterfall filters here, where natural microorganisms consume excess nutrients to keep the algae down. Everything is swept to one end to, if you like, a skimmer or a natural intake bay, whereby the sort of main physical waste, your leaves and that sort of thing, are removed from the system. These ecosystem ponds will remain crystal clear, although there will be a beneficial green biofilm that forms across all the underwater rocks and pebbles. That's completely natural. All the owner needs to do is now and again remove any debris from the intake bay which builds up. It's not a huge pond, this, about 12 feet by 9 feet. May add a larger waterfall at some point, that's still being discussed, but at the moment just the two small babbling waterfalls there, nice and peaceful, nothing too dramatic. This will be extremely low maintenance because everything's swept into the intake bay, you know, leaves, feathers, dirt, whatever. And all you need to do is net those out from that one small convenient location, the intake bay, you know, whenever you're passing, maybe once a week. The brief here was to come up with something that had a kind of Mediterranean pine forest, herb, kind of warm sandstone feel, and you know, I think I've pulled it off quite well actually. I love that combination of pines and herbs you get in the med. Had a nice surprise this morning when I came to film this. There must have been, I don't know, 12, 13 different species of bird, about 30 birds in all, clambering in and out of the water. It really was quite something. Real treat to see, especially during these times of the old virus. But anyway, if you're interested in something like this, do contact me, Richard, at Creative Cascades.